Stress is generally easier to detect while on the surface, so we'll review some of the signs of stress to look for while underwater. If a diver refuses to let go of a source of security, such as the boat or a line, or if they refuse to descend, they may be suffering from contact maintenance. An almost continuous flow of bubbles emitting from a diver's second-stage regulator may signal that a diver is having difficulty with their breathing or air delivery system. Buoyancy problems, such as sinking and then floating and sinking again, may be the result of the diver's inability to relax. This may be an indicator of over- or underweighting, which should be immediately addressed. Excessive behavior, such as the need to continually check the air supply or adjust a particular piece of equipment, may also be a signal of discomfort and stress. Monitor your buddy for a wide-eyed look of fear or fixation of vision. If it leads to an inability to communicate, your buddy is most likely undergoing stress. A diver who is experiencing excessive stress may also exhibit a loss of skill ability, even though it is a skill they've been trained in and have performed many times. By knowing how to detect these signals of stress underwater, you have increased your chances of dealing with the stress and continuing with your dive successfully. Being well-trained, well-equipped, and even highly experienced does not necessarily qualify you as a safe diver. If bad decisions are made about when, where, and under what conditions the dive is conducted. One of the leading causes of stress that we have not discussed yet is poor judgment. Diving in poor environmental conditions or conditions you are unfamiliar with can lead to disaster. The best way to avoid stress is to know your own personal limitations and stay within them. If you are uncomfortable, choose not to dive or change your dive location. In summary, remember that a good diving day begins with good diving practices. Proper physical fitness, an alert mind, a good dive plan, and knowing your diving limits are a few of the mental preparations you can take to help avoid stress. Well-practiced, proper diving skills and a high-quality total diving system that you are familiar with will also increase your chances for a stress-free day of diving. Remember, it is the combination of problems that lead to panic, not one single stressor. So if you fail to deal with the stress and continue to dive, it may only take one more problem to lead to panic or an accident.